It's Wednesday, December 4th, 2024. It's 8:40 a.m. Eastern. This is a screen recording of a live trading session with my small account. I did not trade yesterday at all on the 3rd, on Tuesday. There was just nothing that I liked, nothing fit my criteria. And when you have days like that, no trade is the best trade. So I'll pause the video and I'll return when the market opens and I see a possible trade. H2OO just popped into the top 5 up about 90%. It has some news, but they're going to release an investor update presentation on December 12th. Doesn't sound like anything too earth-shattering. However, it is now the 3rd highest gainer. I'll keep an eye on things and I'll return. I'm in on HTOO. Profit and losses down here. I'm in at 65.59 with 400 shares. And boy, did it drop as soon as I got in. Wow. And I'm out. Let's go see how we did on this. That was quite the struggle, but $13.48 we made this morning, 4.8% gain on that trade. I was in this thing 9 minutes. In at 65.59, out at 68.99. So a green day, I'll take it. Thanks for hanging out with me, and let's see how we do tomorrow.